Hey everybody, it's Tarina with Create with Treethatsme, and today I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to clean off your Chalk Couture chalkboard. Simply spray down with water, let it sit for just a minute, and then wipe down the chalkboard until all of the chalk paste is all gone. And then I love using the brand new board erasers that gets rid of any ghosting or residue chalk paste. Again, just spray it down with water, let it sit just a minute, soften up that chalk paste, and then take a rag and wash off all of the chalk paste. And I like to also go back over the chalkboard one more time with a clean towel, a little bit of water, and then use the brand new board eraser that gets rid of any kind of ghosting. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, let me know. Again, this has been Tarina with Create with Treethatsme.